Welcome to the no nonsense. Okay, maybe a little nonsense. Guide to Dynamo Excel Interoperability. This is not your grandpa's data transfer. We're talking about making Excel and Dynamo talk to each other like old friends who finally figured out texting. Imagine a world where you don't have to copy and paste like you're stuck in 2005. No more manual updates. No more, why don't Excel and Revit match? Instead, you link Excel and Revit, update once, and watch everything sync like magic. It's not witchcraft, it's Dynamo. Data flows both ways. Excel to Revit is control mode, and Revit to Excel is reporting mode. It's a data two-step, and you're about to win the dance-off. In control mode, Excel is the boss. It tells Revit who's in charge, like naming doors, sizing windows, and giving fire ratings. Dynamo updates everything in Revit, and manual edits? Not allowed. This is governance, with a spreadsheet. In reporting mode, Revit spills the beans. Extract schedules, clash reports, or check what's missing. Export all the drama, like doors without fire ratings or rooms with no finishes, straight into Excel. Suddenly, Excel is your BIM dashboard in your gossip column. Let's get real. Use case 1, create and update family types in bulk. Use case 2, QA and compliance, where Dynamo is the judge and Excel delivers the verdict. Use case 3, quantity and progress tracking. BIM meets Costco spreadsheet. Use case 4, auto-generated drawing registers, submission hero. Use case 5, site-friendly data exchange, because the site team loves Excel and the BIM team loves Revit. Now, they can finally be friends. Why do BIM managers care? Because Excel becomes the BIM control panel. There's less manual error, reporting is easier, and ISO 19650 workflows get a glow up. It's not just modeling, it's information management, with a side of sanity. So, stop living in copy-paste purgatory. Embrace Dynamo and Excel interoperability and become the data wizard your team deserves. This is the way. Now go forth and sync.
All right, crew, we're signing off. Go build, go create, and go show the world how it's done. Keep the energy high and the innovation louder. Till the next round, stay unstoppable.